right, Stephanie, what is going on here? Why are you getting harnessed up?
Because I'm going skydiving.
You're going skydiving? That sounds kind of crazy. Whose idea was this?
This is actually my idea.
Your idea?
I got all my friends to do it too.
Nice. And who's this guy right here?
This is Danny.
Danny, do you trust him?
I do actually.
You think he'll make it?
I think he's gonna be good to go.
Okay, all right. Is there anything you want to say to any friends or family before you go out that door?
See you on the ground.
All right, and we'll see you in the air. Close. How you feeling?
I'm a little bit nervous.
What do you think, Jan?
I'm really nervous.
Holy cow.
Don't say that.
That's not good.
Right?
That's not good.
I don't want to hear that right now.
You got it though. You'll be all right, right?
I don't know. Will I?
We got the Widowmaker
We'll
right
see.
here.
We have a pink parachute right now.
All right, we'll see what works. Yeah.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes until boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
Big shout out to Drop Zone. Thanks for sharing.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm good.
I had to get the sunset there. How was it?
It was awesome.
Was that crazy or what?
So cool.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I forgot how to breathe.
Oh, no big deal. Congratulations.
So cool.
Yeah,
So
welcome
cool.
to CSC.
I survived. We did it.
Nice job.